Okay, this was a really tricky problem, but the answer is the last one right here. Methionine, or M, P, or proline, D, or aspartate, or S, or serine. Now, if you had trouble getting this, let's walk through it really quick. I can immediately get rid of these first three answers over here for one very important reason. We have one start codon, and it is methionine. A ribosome is looking for that start codon. And if I read my mRNA, ACA, nope, that's not it. CAG, nope, that's not it. AGA, nope, that's not it. GAU, nope, that's not it. AUG, there it is, AUG. AUG is my start codon, right? That means I get a methionine. None of these start with methionine. All of these start with threonine, which is an ACA. So if you just started at the beginning, you would have started with the threonine and probably gotten one of these three answers. This is the one I think if you end up going all the way to the very end. And the second one is if you might have noticed a stop codon, ACA, GAU, GCC, UGA, stop, right? And some of you might have stopped completely and just put TDA, or if you stopped and then kept going, right, that would not have been accurate. As we see over here is a better example of why you wouldn't want to do that. We know now that we want to start at AUG. Okay, so now we know the first one is methionine, and because we have a non-overlapping code, our next one is CCU. We don't do UGC or GCC. The next codon is CCU. Go over here. CCU is proline, so we have a P. They all have a P. The next one is GAU. GAU. Aspartate, D. They all have that. The next one would be UCA. UCA. Serine. Right here. So the next one should be serine. They all have that. And then we get to UGA. And you'll notice that UGA is one of our special stop codons. This would tell the ribosome to stop translating right here. And actually, the only one that stops is MPDS, this last one right here. The other ones actually keep going. ACC. ACC is threonine, right? They actually thought that they should drop in another amino acid and keep on going. When you get to a stop codon, you stop translating. From AUG to UGA, this would be our actual code that gets turned into protein.